Hello students, once again welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are absolutely good and I hope you have understood the content which we have covered in the recent video, right? In the recent video we have learned the format of leave application. So in today's video lesson we will further learn that how to write leave application. So without any delay, let's begin. So students, I have this question with me. So today with the help of this question, we will try to learn that how to write leave application. So the question is, write a leave application to the principal of your school for 2 days as you're suffering from fever. Let's see the question once again. Students, make sure that whenever you are reading any question, try to read it twice so that you will understand that what exactly you have to write in the application. So here I have underlined most important things. So you have to do this way. Write a leave application to the principal of your school. Now what we have to write? We have to write leave application. Okay. And to whom we have to write? The principal. Okay. The principal of your school for 2 days. Now how many days? 2 days. As you are suffering from fever. Now what is the reason? Yes, you are suffering from fever. So students, can you see that half of the answer is hidden in the question itself? Isn't it? My half of the content is in question itself. So I need to write down all these things in the format. So let's begin the format. Students, first of all, you have to write your own address. Okay, so your letter starts with sender's address. So here you will be writing your own address. Okay, after writing your own address, you have to leave a line. Then what comes? Then comes the date. Okay, so here we will write 19th May, 2020. Okay. After writing date, we have to leave a line and then comes the receiver's address. Now students, can you see I have got this receiver's name from the question because in my question it was given that I have to write this application to the principal, right? So here we will write the principal. We will write the name of the school, Joseph and Mary Public School. Students, make sure that whenever you're writing the name of the school, the initial should be in capital letter. Initial means that all the first letter. It means J should be capital, M should be capital, P should be capital and S should be capital. Okay, and make it a point that whenever you're writing the name of the school, it should be written in full form. Okay, you will not write JMPS, you have to write properly, Joseph and Mary Public School, right? In the next line you will write the location. It's in Shastri Park, Nathupura Road. Okay, then in the next line Burari, Delhi, and you have to write the pin code. So what is the pin code? 110084. Okay, so that's the way how we have to write the address. Now let's talk about the subject. So students, what is the subject? Subject was also given in the question itself. We have to write a leave application, right? So we can simply write leave application for 2 days. Now let's come to the content. So here we have to write the salutation. We will write, Madam, with due respect, I dash, here your name will come, I dash of class, your class and section, would like to inform you that. Now students, make it a point that whenever you're writing any formal letter, you will use the term inform. Don't write I want to say, I want to tell. No, right? You have to write I would like to inform or I would like to state. Okay, I would like to state you or I would like to inform you that I will not be able to attend the school for 2 days. Now you are telling the days, that for how many days you won't be able to attend. Okay, so I'll not be able to attend the school for 2 days. That is, I have written here IE, it means that is from. Beta, now you have to mention the dates. Okay, from 20th May 2020 to 21st May 2020. Okay, as I'm suffering from fever. So the reason also it was there in the question itself. Full stop. The doctor has advised me for 2 days bed rest. Full stop. Kindly grant me leave for the above mentioned dates. Now students, I told you when we were doing the format that we don't need to write the same date again and again. Okay, we can simply write kindly grant me leave for the above mentioned dates, because I have already mentioned that above, right? So that is why I can simply say kindly grant me leave for the above mentioned dates. In the closing we will write, I shall be highly obliged to you. Thank you. Yours obediently, your name, class and section, and you can write roll number as well. Okay, so students, this is how we write our leave application. Okay, it's very easy and it's very scoring. If you will learn the format, you need to understand that the content we can easily frame from the question itself. So students, it's very easy to score marks in your leave application, because all you need to do is, in the content you have to frame the content on the basis of question. Okay, so try to learn the format. It's very easy, right? So students, I hope that this much is clear to everyone, right? Make sure that you have to write this in your notebook. Okay, so do check your description box for the notes of this letter. Okay, so students, that's it for today's class. Now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson. Till then, keep on completing your work, keep on learning, and yes, before going, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the videos with your friends and classmates. Goodbye. Take care.